Hello and welcome to the Builder's Bench, where we break down common issues with today's automatic transmissions. I'm Alex Chrissy, editor of Transmission Digest, and with me here is Rino Partipilo from ATSG, who's our technical expert for this video series.
How you doing, Alex?
I'm good. We're here to talk today about Chevy and GMC trucks that have the service four-wheel drive message coming up on the dashboard.
Right, Alex. So we got a little story that's going on with one of these things. One of these vehicles come in and it's taking off in high gear, and also too it has two diagnostic codes on there. Also too, it actually has service four-wheel drive light on the dash. Okay, first code it's going to have on there is a P2534 ignition switch 1 low voltage. Then we also have a C0379 front axle system fault. In this case, we are looking at a Chevy Silverado 4x4 2013 and earlier. Both circuits are powered up by the number 19 fuse, as we see over here. But in 2014 and later, the same system is powered up by the number 40 fuse over here. Okay? So what this shop decided to do, since they were not they had that low voltage code and the transmission was starting off in high gear, they went to go check the fuse, and they ended up finding out that the number 19 fuse on this particular one, because it was a 13, was blown. So they decided to replace the fuse, put a new fuse inside there, turn the key on, and the fuse blew immediately. Looking at the wiring diagram, that fuse only controls the transmission and the front actuator for the 4x4 system. And since the fuse blew as soon as they turned the key on, a simple test would be is to disconnect the transmission case harness on there, put a new fuse inside there, and turn the key on and see if the fuse blew. And it still blew.
Oh, got it. So what does that tell us?
That tells us that the problem is not going to be and should not be inside the TECM, inside the transmission, because since it's disconnected, there's no voltage going to it, so it shouldn't have blown the fuse. Something else has got to be doing it. So the next thing the shop decided to do is go to the front actuator, which is right over here, and as you can see, when it was unplugged, there was a lot of gear lube inside there. The actuator is actually leaking internally. So what did they do? They unplugged that, replaced the fuse, turned the key on, and now the fuse did not blow this time. So instead of a transmission problem, it was a front actuator problem. They replaced the front actuator, the transmission and the 4x4 system were now working correctly.
Yeah, and that's especially good to know with that year difference in there that you mentioned.
Correct, because the fuses could be in two different spots.
Yeah, so definitely keep an eye out for that. Thanks for sharing that, Rino, and thanks to you for watching. We will be back again soon for more transmission technical tips.